Here in Australia, parents wanting to have a parenting matter heard by the courts must first attempt to reach an agreement through a process called family dispute resolution. Of course, there are exceptions to the rule in cases where there's family violence, a party is unable to participate, usually due to incapacity or distance, urgency is a factor, or where a party has contravened or shown serious disregard for a previous court order. But otherwise, the process is compulsory. I've been an accredited family law resolution practitioner for over 8 years and have worked with many different couples and families over the years. When successful, it allows families to move on with their lives sooner, avoid the cost of going to court, and most importantly, minimise further damage to their relationship, which is so important where there are kids involved. It can also be very helpful in resolving other areas of contention relating to property and money. To begin the process, I will usually meet each person individually to first make sure mediation is appropriate and to understand where each person's head is at and identify the issues that need to be resolved. From there, I work with you both to determine the best approach. For some couples, that will be joint sessions where we're all in the same room at the same table. For others, that isn't workable or appropriate, we do shuttle mediation where each person has their own space, separate to the other, and I go back and forth between them. Whether we're all in the same room or not, the process is much the same. We work through each item or area of contention in a calm and collected way, with the goal of finding a mutually satisfying agreement. Sometimes it takes multiple sessions to work through the different areas, while other times a workable and mutually satisfactory solution can be found in a single session. In my experience, in most cases, the process is highly beneficial because it enables the parties to control the outcomes, rather than a judge who doesn't know them or their family. And it saves families from being dragged through the courts, saving everyone involved unnecessary stress, heartache, time and money, and instead allowing them to move forward with their lives sooner. Even when an agreement can't be reached on everything, it helps narrow down the issues or points of contention so that when you do go to court, there's less to work through and common ground is built upon. Once an agreement is reached, the agreement is documented through consent orders or a financial agreement, so it's all legally binding. There's no court hearing or litigation. If you'd like to know more about family dispute resolution process or mediation more broadly, please don't hesitate to reach out. As both accredited mediators and family law practitioners, our team has extensive experience in the area and approaches all matter with understanding, compassion and professionalism.